Let's discuss uh, MCQs. MCQ or question, which is correct regarding sympathetic nervous system. It generally mediates or activated body functions and rest and digest mood. Number B. The neurotransmitter at the sympathetic ganglion is norepinephrine. C. The neurotransmitter at the sympathetic ganglion is acetylcholine. D. Sympathetic neurons release acetylcholine in the effector organs. Which one of these is correct? C. C is correct. How? The neurotransmitter at the sympathetic and parasympathetic ganglia is acetylcholine. Okay, acetylcholine is a chemical that in both sympathetic and parasympathetic ganglia that is released acetylcholine. You know, sympathetic system. How is sympathetic system activated? Sympathetic system is activated generally in fight or flight mood, in a fight or flight response. Uh, for example, when a dog uh, comes to you and simultaneously your sympathetic nervous system release epinephrine and norepinephrine during this stage, and you run away. So that is sympathetic nervous system that it is activated in fight or flight mode, and parasympathetic is always activated in rest and digest mode. You know, sympathetic nervous system, neurons of the sympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic neurons always release norepinephrine. These are fight or flight hormone, norepinephrine. Okay. Parasympathetic nervous neurons of parasympathetic system always release acetylcholine. Okay. Uh, and what an effector cells. Okay. Let's wait for the next MCQ.